the eternal symbol of wealth, power, and stability. A metal that has accompanied human history through every era. From ancient civilizations to the modern economy, gold is not just a measure of value but a driving force behind grand ambitions and historic conquests. Its influence goes far beyond its material worth, forming the foundation of trust, prosperity, and ultimate authority. So, what is it that has made gold hold its unique position for thousands of years? Let's uncover the fascinating secrets of this precious metal. And welcome back to Nebula Engineering.
Preview.
Searching for a reliable gold supply is a challenging and risky endeavor, especially as natural resources become increasingly scarce. To uncover gold veins hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface, experts must contend with treacherous terrains, harsh weather conditions, and unexplored regions. The exploration process requires advanced technologies like geological scanners and survey drones, along with substantial investments of time, manpower, and capital. Sometimes years of surveys yield disappointing results, or promising gold deposits are found buried deep within inaccessible geological layers. These obstacles make maintaining a stable gold supply a significant challenge, yet they also drive the mining industry to innovate and push boundaries. The relentless pursuit of this precious metal reflects the enduring value and importance of gold in the global economy. Extracting raw gold from the earth is a challenging process, where gold veins buried deep beneath layers of hard geological formations require the intervention of modern technology and relentless human effort. Heavy mining equipment is employed to drill deep and break through rock layers, but technology is only part of the equation. Miners work under harsh conditions, facing cramped, dark spaces, toxic gases, and the constant risk of collapses. Once the gold is extracted, the process continues with steps like crushing, ore separation, and refining, each demanding significant time, energy, and resources. This complex procedure requires precision at every stage, from locating gold veins to refining the gold to its purest form, ready for use across various industries. After being mined, raw gold undergoes a sophisticated refining process to become valuable, pure gold bars. First, the gold is transported to large processing plants equipped with advanced technology and chemical methods for treatment. The process begins with crushing the raw gold into smaller pieces to increase its surface area, allowing chemical reactions to occur more effectively. Next, the gold undergoes ore separation through gravity concentration or flotation methods to remove impurities and worthless materials. The critical next step involves dissolving the gold in a cyanide solution, Cn-, known as the cyanidation process. This widely used technique in the mining industry forms a gold cyanide complex that is soluble in the solution. The solution is then treated using the cementation method, where zinc, as Zn, is added to reduce the gold cyanide complex, precipitating the gold as a powder. This gold powder is further purified by filtration in preparation for the final stage. In the final step, the gold is melted at high temperatures, usually exceeding 1064 degrees Celsius, to eliminate any remaining impurities completely. The molten gold is then cast into bars with an almost perfect purity level, often reaching 99.99%. Each stage of the process is meticulously monitored to ensure the highest quality and preserve the inherent value of gold, a precious metal that symbolizes purity, rarity, and timelessness. Once gold is cast into bars or other forms, it undergoes rigorous inspection by experts to verify its purity and weight, meeting the highest standards. The gold bars are then packaged and sealed with specialized protective layers to prevent any tampering or unauthorized access. Gold is typically stored in specialized vaults with stringent security systems, including multi-layer locks, motion sensors, 24/7 surveillance cameras, and physical barriers like reinforced steel doors. Additionally, temperature and humidity within these storage facilities are meticulously controlled to prevent any risk of oxidation. Although gold is naturally a highly durable metal, Beyond physical protection, all information regarding stored gold is securely encrypted using advanced data protection systems. After being carefully preserved, enters the market as an invaluable asset, symbolizing stability and wealth. Rigorously inspected for purity and weight, internationally certified gold bars appear in various forms, such as bullion, coins, or gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs. In 2023, global demand for gold surpassed 4,700 tons, with 48% allocated to the jewelry industry, 25% for financial investments, and 16% held as reserves by central banks. With an average price of $1,900 per ounce, gold is not only a high-value asset, but also a vital defensive tool against inflation and economic instability, maintaining its crucial role in the global economy. We have just explored the incredible journey of gold, from its supply sources, the challenging process of raw extraction, the meticulous refining to achieve perfect purity, to the immense value gold holds for the world. Every step in this process not only showcases its complexity, but also reaffirms gold's irreplaceable position in the global economy and our daily lives. Gold is not only a symbol of wealth, but also a measure of stability and trust. Share your thoughts on what impressed you the most in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content in our upcoming videos on Nebula Engineering.